Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
So have
Good
you
morning,
completed
ma'am.
those questions that I gave you? K-map solution.
Yes.
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 So give me the answer. Which question was it? Question number 7 ABC.
7th ABC and 14th AB. 14th only B.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so Shishesh will show us.
Aryan will come late today
Who will come late?
because he has gone to hospital
What
because he
happened?
was ill. His head was paining and his stomach was aching, so he went to hospital.
Yes, Shishesh. Show me the first answer. Question number 7, first answer. Function of ABCD is equal to summation of 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 14, 15. Shishesh is in his own world. You understand why camera should be on. Parjanya,
Yes, madam.
7th A.
Which one?
Huh?
7th A.
Means I am shifting you to 7th standard A section.
Oh,
अब पता चला?
Not done or what?
Okay, so let us be honest. Tell me how many of you have solved the question so that I will not wait.
Me. Me.
I'll explain.
I
First, let me
tried, but it's
my
wrong.
cute little students have done because Shishesh is not switching on the camera. Parjanya is, you know, yes, Ayush, switch on the camera. Whoever is not switching on the camera will be removed from the meeting right now. So be quick. I hope I am audible to others.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Panth is not switching on the camera. Ayush is still not switching on the camera. Okay.
all.
So basically, you are not doing any kind of homework except girls. Dhara and Priyanshi only. Then why are you attending the classes? Why am I wasting my time? Jill is saying I have solved.
I also solved, but
You also.
it's wrong.
Raise hand, come on. So that I can understand. Raise hand is a feature in his app for your information.
Okay.
So basically, you are helping your mother with household work, or you are helping your father with what will you help? Yes. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 out of 16. Till now there are 7. Okay. So all 4 girls have done the homework. Few boys. Others are cheap. Okay, no problem. Nothing to worry. If you know that you are not doing homework, I'll give you 50 solutions for your vacation. So then deal with it. Whoever will not do the work, you know what I will do internally. Yes? समझदार को तुम्हारा काम ही होता है. So let's start with a question where we are going to solve 4 variable POS. And before that, Geet wants to know that what is redundancy. So I'll explain you what is redundant and how we should avoid the redundancy. We cannot have a redundant group in our K-map solution because the correct answer. Okay. Again, Ayush has left. I don't know why. What is his problem? Don't worry. So which question I'm going to take out? So we are, let's start the question. Now question is a little lengthy, so first I will have to write the question because it is not a simple question where I'm getting the numbers. The question is in this form. Now here they will not give you function of ABCD or anything because you are supposed to,
Can you mute everybody?
you know, what are the variables that are supposed to be used. So the question is something like this. A plus B bar plus C plus D. Now here comes dot. Dot means nothing. Okay. If there is nothing, then you should understand that it is a dot. Dot means which operator?
And
And
So now we have A plus B plus D bar. A plus B plus D bar. Next, A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. You can see the question looks very easy because there are 4 variables. There are a lot of
Ma'am, copy paste you do.
my dear, but then also that dot and all when you have to do it, right?
Yes.
That was here one dash is wrong means your answer will be wrong because the question is different. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we have 9? Yes, we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
The
Yes.
term 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So now here, as you can understand, they have made your life a little difficult here. They have made your life difficult by not giving you the place number. You have that habit. If 0 hai, so 0 pe we will put the correct value. Like 1 for SOP and 0 for POS.
0 for
Now they have taken the question to another level where you do not have the place number only. So now what we do? First of all, the thing that we are doing now, we'll have to take this paper. Okay, I will take that POS table, not SOP. Because the question is POS. How many of you understood that the question is of POS and not SOP? I don't want this whole thing, let it be. Do you understand why this question is POS? This is a product of sum. This is a sum.
Me.
This is a sum. And in between, there is a
Yes.
Yes. Plus.
yes, who has raised hand, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and ask my question. Am I not audible? I am. Okay.
You're audible.
So now what to do? Now we will put a 0 in the place of these expressions. So where is A plus B bar plus C plus D? That we will have to look. Okay. So for that you will have to make this table. A, B, C, D, because the variables are A, B, C, D, I cannot change. I cannot write A, B here and I cannot write C, D here. It will give me the wrong answer. Okay. So now this is the place value. This is the binary form of the value, and depending
4 number.
on that, I have prepared this
4.
variable.
Ma'am, your voice.
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
ma'am. Your
Now,
voice.
I think I had to write plus plus here, but I have written dot 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 dot. Do you understand? Or I have not changed, I think. Not to worry. You will tell me where to write what. Yes. See, if you want to simplify your life, understand that for POS, you know, A is which form, normal or complement form?
Normal.
Normal, right? So this place is, let me go to the next line. This place is what? 1, 0, 1, 1. Do you understand or not? B bar is 0 or what? Nobody understands?
Ma'am, we are not able to hear your voice.
Okay, okay, okay. That is because of slow internet, I think. Okay, wait.
Which place?
Please do.
Okay, so internet is slow. So internet is a problem. So if something happens, you will have to be patient. Okay. If I will be disconnected again, you can solve this question on your own. Please don't think that in 12th standard, your teachers are only supposed to solve the questions for you. Okay, don't behave like a first standard child, not completing the homework, sitting in the class as if you know your parents have forced you. All those things, please forget. Behave the way you are. Okay, and who is absent today? I want to know now. Only 18 students or 18. So one is me, 17. So who is missing?
Ayush.
And
Aryan.
Ayush.
Aryan Dave to give me a reason. So only Ayush and Aryan. Okay. So
Aryan
Jill
will-
raised hand.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is
He
Jill?
went to hospital. He's
You can speak. You can unmute yourself and speak. I am going to unmute you.
Wow.
I'm not able to unmute him. Jill, you can speak if you have any problem. Yes, Jill, speak. What happened? Nothing? Chalo, koi baat nahi. Okay, so I will share the screen again. So let us write the thing here again, because I feel that you are not able to understand what I'm trying to write. So I will go a little slow. This is A plus B plus C plus D. From where it has come? It has come from this 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now 0, 0, 0, 1 means A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Here, A bar plus B bar plus C plus D. A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar.
Madam, it will be
A plus B.
A plus B plus C bar plus
I am writing
D.
ulta. SOP.
is not negative.
Do you understand what mistake did I make? I am still in that SOP wala world where 0 is
Oh.
not to worry. I'll change it.
yes.
Hmm.
Okay. So now here 0 is positive. So A plus
A plus B bar
B bar
plus B.
plus C plus
plus C
D.
plus
C
D.
plus D.
All this you will have to do. See, for
A plus B bar
question you have to do all these things. Can you believe this?
plus C plus D bar.
Life was much easier when you were given a direct question, but now here, sorry, this is A, B bar plus C bar plus D bar. This we are doing only to know what is the question. A plus B bar.
Yes.
A bar plus C bar plus Do you understand that I can keep this copy paste? I can do this here. Shortcut. I hope you remember. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the places. Now let us understand
Madam, there C bar will come.
where.
C bar. Last.
Last second.
Okay. Here also.
Where C bar plus D. That bar you cancel off D.
Okay, so here also I'm wrong, right?
Ah.
Here it makes a huge difference. If you miss a bar, you are gone. Values will change and you will not get the correct answer. So now if I want
Last also.
Yes, downside.
Down last box, madam.
B bar nahi hai.
14th number.
D
So now
hai.
let us see what is the question and according to we will place the value. Now here the value that is supposed to be placed is not 1, it is 0 because this is POS. Okay, so where to put the value? A plus B bar plus C plus D. Where is it here?
4.
4 number.
Place a value.
4.
0. Now A plus A bar B bar.
12. It's on 12.
12.
Here. Next is A B C D bar.
1.
Here.
It's on
1
1.
1.
Okay. A B bar C D bar.
5th.
Here.
Yes.
5.
Okay. A B bar C D bar. So C is on positive.
13.
Here.
Yeah.
Then comes B and C are plus and others are negative. Here.
9th.
Okay. Now B, C, D all are negative. Where is it?
9, 10, 11, 15, 16.
All are negative. Why we have made a mistake? A plus B bar C bar D bar. Why we are not getting? Here it should be, no?
3 plus B bar.
10th one. Yes, there.
Okay. Then comes B and C are negative. All the others are positive. Here.
A, B.
Yes.
6th one last.
Means all three negative, only last is plus. So all three negative is
15.
here, third line. All three
Third.
last is only positive. Okay, here.
14th one. Yeah, that. Third
Okay.
one. Yes.
How many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we have got the,
Take that.
you know,
Yes.
we have got the question. Now how to form the groups. Okay, this is a very easy question because we are in an early stage of making a K-map. You have not become an expert, especially because you have not done your homework. So I have taken a very simple question. and I am solving it. Don't worry, in exam I will not give you any simple question. Okay,
Yes.
so here how to make a pair or a quad or an octet. So the rule is first try to make a octet. Now here octet is
Octet.
not possible because
Not
there are not 8 zeros that are near each other or consecutive. But there is a good chance of making a quad.
Quad.
Someone is
Two
writing.
quad and one pair.
Yes, 2 chord and 1 pair. 3 chord. No,
Three
Yes.
quad.
Quad and one
Yeah,
pair.
2 chords and 1
Don't
pair.
write in chat window. Who is that?
Ma'am,
Gene.
3 quads won't be there.
Three
Huh?
quad.
No.
3 quads, ma'am.
Yes, we can make 3
Two
quads
quads.
here. One quad
There are
is this
3
one.
quads and one pair.
One
One
is at box,
horizontal, one
and two
vertical,
are
and
line.
2 at the edges.
One we will roll on.
Don't worry, I
One
Two quad and
horizontal,
one
one
pair.
vertical, and there are 2 to that 4 zeros.
one
together.
is this one.
Hmm.
The other is
Horizontal.
Vertical.
Vertical.
And one roll on.
Yes.
and the rest.
And
One
one
rollover.
at the ends.
Roll over.
Ah.
Now you will get your answer of redundancy. Jeet has asked that what is redundancy. Now let me tell you. Now here, all these 4 are in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 are in a group. The rest, the leftover is these 2 only. So what I can do is I can make a pair of these 2. How? With
Yeah.
rolling over the K-map. I can do that. But
Yes.
if I make a pair, the answer will not be very simple. But if I make a quad with these 2 and these 2, it will be very simple answer. So this is not redundancy. This is not redundancy because I'm doing it to get a simpler answer, and I want these 2 to be in part of any group. So what I will do is I will make a group like this. I'm not able to draw properly. Okay, so basically we need this one, these 2 and these 2. So we will make a quad. I hope you have remembered that rolling over.
Yes.
Yes.
Again, so these 2 and these 2, they will come next to each other here. Okay, so this is the way we will solve the question. Now, I hope you got your answer. Redundancy. Redundancy is what? These 2 are already now in a group. These 2 are already in a group. Now, if I use them again to form another group, then it is redundant.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. This is done. All these are in a group. Now again, if I use any of these zeros, this is redundant, and we should avoid that. Because the problem is, because of redundancy, you will not get very simple answer. So you will have to simplify on your own again and again. I will tell you the answer. Simple answer I want. First of all, what have I taught you? We will write quad 1,
C plus D bar.
quad 2, quad 3.
Quad 3.
Okay.
A plus D bar.
Quad 1. Which one is quad 1? Let us consider this horizontal wala. Quad 1. I hope you know I have taught you what to do. Insert and shape and this. Then make an arrow. And you can write here air 1 or quad 1 or something. So that it is very
Yes.
clear to the teacher. Now write the place value. What is this place? That place is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now how will you simplify it? For simplifying, please understand that this C bar, see, this is the whole
Whole
line.
it will be cancelled.
So all these will be nullified by each other. Because we
A
have
plus
this whole
C
line,
bar.
these all will be nullified with each other. C plus D will nullify C bar plus D bar. C plus D bar will nullify C bar plus D. So our answer is this only.
A plus B.
A plus B
A
bar.
plus B. We are
Yes.
getting the answer in two
A
variables.
plus B bar, madam.
A plus B bar.
Okay, sorry. Second line. Yes. A plus. We are getting answer in two variables because it is a quad. Let me write it here. If it is an octet, your answer would be one variable. One variable means या A होगा या फिर B bar or C or D bar. That can be answer. If you have a quad, quad will give you answer in two variables. You are getting already A plus B bar. Then if you make a pair, what will happen? If you make a pair, you will get an answer in three variables. A
Variable.
bar plus B bar. Something like that. So that is why you should try for an octet as much as possible, but it will not be that easy. Because when you get an octet, your solution becomes very simple to execute. So most of the times you will make only quad and pairs only, and sometimes you will have a confusion where you can make two kind of pairs. So then you will have to take
Yes.
decision that where to match what. For that you need a lot of practice. If you think that my teaching is enough for understanding K-map, you are very wrong. You will have to take questions and you will have to solve. Here, let me tell you one thing. Okay, Jil Patel is saying according to book we can also write quad 4, 5, 6, 7. We have done 4, 5, 6, 7 is our first quad. What I want to write is I have started my channel on YouTube. The name is
YouTube.
this. So if you have missed
Java
any
by-
of the previous classes, I have put all the videos that I'm recording. Whatever I'm teaching now, I record it. And I have put all the videos here. So first, if you have missed any of the class, or second, you have any query regarding the content that I have taught you in the previous classes, Zoom classes only, then you can go and look for these videos. Some of the part you can remove because first few minutes we take to settle down and all, but the main thing, the teaching part, you can just watch it. Okay, so you can just remember this name of the channel. You can subscribe and you can like the video if you feel. Okay, so
Yeah,
here we have already solved one quad.
Yes.
Yes, where is my phone?
Ma'am, I was having one doubt.
Yes, bolo.
If there are 3 ones, so how many pair we can make?
Question 7C.
Okay, this is a good question.
Two.
Tell me
Two pair.
places. Tell me place. Any place shall I put it?
2, 6
Ma'am,
and 14.
Chalo, bolo. 2, 6 and
2, 6, 14. The last row.
0, 1, 2. 2 is here, right?
Last.
No, ma'am.
Last
Last.
three.
That last.
It will be 3.
Last.
Okay, sorry.
The C D bar.
हाँ बस.
हाँ.
That 3.
Where?
हाँ.
Next place?
बस बस.
अरे मैडम
In CD bar 3.
वो 1 के नीचे और 2 1 लिख दो.
Here.
हाँ.
हाँ एक और downside 1. Yeah. Now what to do?
Two pairs. Two pairs you can make now.
Two pairs.
But redundancy will occur.
Yes, madam. That we don't
so what?
understand. One
Alia.
can repeat
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Madam is telling.
Okay, when I ask question, then I don't get any answer. When you want to answer, then you answer. Pretty good. You're behaving like first time. Okay. Here what I will do is I will make a pair of these two and I will make a pair of these two also.
Then it will be not repeated.
No, that is what I'm trying to
Wow.
say. Repetition is where you are repeating the ones or zeros which are already in some other group. Now here if I make a group of these two, just 10 minutes, nothing to worry. Insert shape. Suppose I have made a group of these two. Yes. So now this is single. So rather than writing this term on its own, I should group this with this one.
But that is not repeated
This
in
is
another
not
pair.
repetition, my dear. Repetition is when I am repeating everything that is already in a group. Here
Okay.
one was out of the group. I have
Understood.
get a simple solution.
Hmm.
This is the difference between redundancy and no redundancy. For that you need a lot of practice. Yes, Jill.
Ma'am, I took that there was an octet forming, so I took 2 quads.
No, then
To
also
cover
you
that
will have to simplify again and you will have to go to that answer. See, when
So I
octet
got
is
the final
possible,
answer as
if you make 2 quads, then you are holding the ear not from here, you are holding it from here. But you will have to simplify it again. You can solve. Jill, what you can do is take the same question. In one question, one answer, make a octet. In the other answer, make 2 quads. After you get the solution, you will have to again simplify the solution where you have made 2 quads.
So, ma'am, actually there was already an octet present. Already an quad, and at last one there were these 3 ones were there.
See, I cannot understand like this. If you have any question, you can send me the image
Ma'am,
of this
textbook question only.
Which question? This
Textbook
one?
question.
Question
7C,
7C.
madam. 7C.
Yes.
Okay, 7C. Tell me.
57 page number, I guess.
But we will have to solve. No, the answer is not given in the book. You tell me what is the number. What are the numbers?
Yes. On
Book, ma'am, I wrote it in my
0,
camera.
1.
Wait,
ma'am, write 1 in 0, 1,
wait. 0, 1. Then
4, 5,
2, 3, 4, 5. Then
उसके नीचे ही मैडम सारे लिख दो.
12, 13.
हाँ.
Yes, like that.
And in last column 3.
here,
Yeah, and that 3 up.
here,
CD bar वाला. हाँ.
हाँ, only
उसमें
3.
नहीं आएगा.
here,
हाँ,
here.
हाँ.
बस.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, madam.
One.
Okay. First, so you make this quad.
Octet will not happen.
Sorry, octet. First, make octet. Yes.
Yes.
Now the problem is these 3. So with these 2 and these
Quad.
2, you can make a quad.
Yes.
These 2 and these 2, you can make again a quad.
Oh.
Oh.
Confusing it is.
Confusing तो होगा ना because you
उसके जगह 2 पेयर नहीं बना सकते
हाँ,
मैडम?
madam.
हाँ.
Yes,
दो
ma'am.
pair.
Let me tell you, you are saying that you will include this one, and this one in a pair. Yes.
Yes.
These two,
नहीं नहीं.
I did
Last-
that only, madam. I was
last
telling
row.
that only
हाँ.
that can we make 2 quads?
Last
I did that
3
only.
में 2 पैर बना दे, madam.
Hey Bhagwan, the moral of the story,
Ma'am.
my students are not understanding.
हाँ, madam ये
मैंने तो 2 पैर बना भी दिए और आंसर भी आ गया.
हाँ, madam.
आ
मैंने
गया,
भी.
but
मैंने
answer
भी.
right or not that you don't know, no.
पर
कोई नहीं
सिंपली
पता
नहीं,
चल
सिंपल
रहा है.
नहीं
Ma'am,
है.
I made that 2 quads as you said means I did that only. That what I was asking to you. Then final
Okay.
answer is coming that C bar plus A bar D bar plus D bar.
Okay.
Avoid that only coming, okay?
Yes,
So the answer,
Madam.
because that only in 3 steps the
the
answer is
answer
complete.
is 1 octet. This one.
हाँ.
Okay. This
That is
is
right.
an
Yes.
octet. Now the second
Yes.
thing is this is a quad.
Ah.
This
All
is a
right.
quad. This is your second answer.
Yes.
Now the question is, you have only 2 things which are not connected, or I should say 1. This only, because this is also connected. So what you can do is, you can pair it with this one. This is one possibility. See, K-map is not that simple if you have any confusion. If you are confused, then it will be really difficult. You can pair it with this one. You can pair it with this one also. Rolling over. Your second option. And the third option, which is very good, is you make a
Quad.
quad of these four. If you make a quad of these four, your answer will be very simple. If you
So
Okay.
there will be two
try-
quad.
If you want to try, let me tell you that you take all three possibilities. Answer of these two. This is a pair and this is a pair will be similar. Because you will get rid of, one variable only because it is a pair. But answer of when you make this quad, it will be simpler than the other answers. So try on your own
Yes.
and then you will understand that what I'm talking about. Okay.
So here it will be two quad and one octet.
One octet and two quads is the best solution.
Okay. And now
Ah.
See,
understood.
what is the
something.
purpose of K-map? We want a very simple answer. K-map is used to simplify an expression. So if with one answer, I'm getting A bar plus B bar plus C and the other answer is A bar plus B, then which is more simple?
A bar plus B.
A bar plus B.
You will have to understand that. You need a lot of practice. I'll give you a very challenging questions in future. Don't worry. Okay. So this is K-map. Now I think we have not solved this whole question yet. We are supposed to simplify this. Yes. So how will you simplify? Here the answer is A plus B bar. That is your first quad. We have only 3 minutes. Quad 2 is your this one. So quad 2 का answer क्या होगा? This is your quad 2.
C plus D bar.
Quad 2's answer is all this
Plus
nullified.
D bar.
Will be nullifying each other.
C
So
plus
answer
D
is
bar. Yes.
C plus D bar.
Yes.
Please
Yes.
understand this is not that simple. Okay, now here answer will be what? A plus B. Sorry, I will have to take this because it is very confusing for me. कर लेना पड़ेगा.
A plus
Okay.
D.
So here
B
the
bar
bar.
plus
A
C plus
and
D.
A bar are nullifying each other. So answer is B bar from this.
Yes, B
Now,
bar
here
plus
the answer is
D.
C bar and C will nullify each other. So D.
So D
So
will
what
B
is
bar
the
plus
answer?
D.
B bar
B
plus
bar
C
D.
bar
plus
D.
D.
Plus D, sorry.
D or C? B. Yes.
D. हाँ.
Yes.
D
So
for D.
actually now the whole answer is the dot between these two. Three, sorry. A plus B bar. Sorry. Dot. Dot if you write or don't write doesn't make a difference. C plus B bar. Don't make it capital and small. You will have to manage it according the question given. If question में capital है तो capital ही रखना है. So this is your answer. For this you will get 5 marks. One for this, for making the K-map, making pairs, making quad, octet, then simplifying, then writing the answer in this form. And now you will have to draw the circuit. Can you believe that? 5 marks free में नहीं मिलेगा. Now you will have to draw the circuit. Now who doesn't know how to draw the circuit? For drawing the circuit, plus means which gate?
Or.
OR
Or.
gate.
Or
Or.
Three OR gates.
Wow.
And here there are two
Yes.
AND
Oh.
gates. This dot is
Yes.
AND gate. So you will have to
AND.
draw the circuit accordingly. I'm stopping the share and let us see. There are only 16 participants. So let me take the picture again. You don't realize that we are keeping the attendance. You are attending the class, you are not attending. I'm keeping the record. In between, if you are leaving, we have that record also. Okay, so don't take it very lightly. That okay, मैं आऊँगा नहीं आऊँगा की फर्क पैंदा फर्क पड़ेगा. Especially with someone like me. Okay, so don't do it. Okay, so whoever has not completed the homework, do it. You want to watch the videos, you can go
Yes.
to my channel now. And next time, see, I don't want to teach a lot. I'm teaching very little. Today I was very slow because I realized that if you have not done the homework, you don't know. See, whoever has